Hello everyone and welcome again in our new video. In today's video we are again gonna see and learn some really awesome tricks to how to make different stuff. Moving forward to the first one in which we can make a really cute toy. Move forward to the second one of today's video, which is a really cool one. We will see and learn how to make a really beautiful and cute chair which looks really alive, as we can see and learn from the video. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are using an ice cream stick for the beginning to make a really beautiful toy. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are drawing some stuff on the tissue paper with a marker. As you can see and learn from the video, we have first drawn the stem of a flower and the leaves, and then we have drawn the petals of it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are using a big plastic. We have blown the plastic and then we have pasted color on it, and then we have pasting color from the plastic to and paper, as you can see and learn from the video, which looks really beautiful, as you can see from the video. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, which is a really awesome one. We have taken a big square piece of paper for the beginning and we have folded it into half, and then we are folding it from all the four sides of it. As you can see and from the video, the first one has made a box for us, and then we are rolling the box with a second paper to complete it as a briefcase. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, in which we are using leaves of wheat, as you can see from the video, to make a really beautiful. Moving forward to this next one of today's video, which is a really easy one, as you can see and learn from the video, we will learn how to make a really beautiful thing by paper only. We have taken a small piece of paper for the beginning, and then we will continue to make a really small and cute heart. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, which is a really easy one. For the beginning, we are using a small piece of paper. We have folded the paper into different shapes, as you can see from the video, to make it look like a really beautiful structure. We will keep following the steps, and then we will make some red stripes to make it a wall hanging. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, in which we are using a balloon for the beginning. We have filled the balloon with white powder, as you can see and learn from the video, and then we will follow the steps to make it a face. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, which is a really easy one, in which we have carved a piece of cardboard into a heart shape, and then we have pasted many chocolates on it, as you can see from the video. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, which is also a really easy one, we will learn how to make this toy with just papers. As you can see and learn from the video, we have folded the paper in a 3-dimensional triangle and completed it. Thank you for watching the video.